Definitely one of the worst hailstorms I have ever seen in Mississippi. It's so strange. There's like a low fog bank. The temperature must have dropped 15 or 20 degrees. Maybe even, yeah, about 20 degrees maybe. And the yard is covered in baseball-sized hail. It's actually melted a little bit now, but it was about tennis size to baseball size when it came down. And look at the fog. I've never in my life seen anything like this before. There's still some small hail falling now. Unbelievable. The yard looks like it's snow. That is hail. And we still got some lightning, wicked looking fog. Brandon, Mississippi. This is unbelievable. This hail messed some stuff up, man. I'm sure it's got some broken windows. The fog is crazy. It's a low fog bank. Unbelievable.